All right, hey guys, Jason Wellman here for Hacktics. In this video, I want to talk real briefly, give you guys a tip on how to structure your website for growth hacking. Now, when it comes to growth hacking, primarily what we're trying to do is we're trying to focus on the one thing that is actually bringing growth to your website. And when it comes to your website, most likely it is your core call to action. So whether somebody wants to book your services, fill out a form, hit the contact us page, that is the core thing that you're trying to focus on when it comes to growth. So when it comes to structuring your website in order to achieve that growth, we really have three main segments that we're really trying to identify and build into the architecture. The first is this. It's just a landing page. That is, you're bringing outside traffic, or outside traffic is coming to your website and it's just staying on a landing page, or it's hitting a landing page. This most likely could be your home page, a dedicated page that you're trying to build this in traffic to. But ultimately, it's this page where somebody comes to your website. And the main key right here is to try to push somebody down into a qualifying page. But it's also to set up all of your retargeting pixels. So if somebody comes to your website and for some reason they don't hit that qualifying page, you can actually bring them back in the hopes that they'll qualify themselves later on. But let's say that they come to your website and they do hit that qualifying page. The next thing is that you need to have, again, those pixels on this page. So if for some reason they visit your qualifying page, which would be like your contact us form, they start filling it out, but for some reason they bounce, you want to have the mechanism set up to bring them back into the website. And you could bring them to the top of the landing page, or you could just bring them right back to that page because they've already displayed intent in coming there before. And so the last thing that you need in your funnel architecture is this thing called a thank you page. Because what you're trying to do with this thank you page is you're taking people who have visited this qualifying page, who are trying to reach out to you, book a service, they're trying to download something, they're requesting a quote, something. When they do, you need to send them down to a thank you page. It's because on this thank you page, is where you're going to deploy all of your conversions, meaning did they convert or did they not? And that's the beauty about these thank you pages. You can't organically navigate to a thank you page. So you have to actually qualify yourself, and then after you qualify yourself, you show the backend system, which would be your Google Analytics or anything like this. It shows that you actually did it. You actually came through. You actually converted, and from there you can do a lot of cool things. But that's not the primary purpose of this video. So basically, what you're trying to do, again, in summation or in conclusion here, you're trying to build in a few pages where some person might click through and visit. Again, this could be your home page or some other landing page. Then eventually you're trying to drive people to this qualifying page where they're going to be reaching out to you for your offer, or they're trying to learn more information about it. And if they do, you have to push them down to the bottom of the funnel. The core reason is this. All your data, all your tracking, all of this, it all needs an endpoint so that we can tell Facebook or tell YouTube or tell Google, wherever we're sending our ads in from, we can say, yes, this person got to this qualifying page, they actually opted in, and then from there you can work on the backtracking so you can know your numbers, and I'll talk about that in a different video. But this video was primarily about how to set this up on your website. No, this doesn't have anything to do with design. This is all about how to set up your funnel architecture. All right, guys, if you like that video, I would encourage you to come visit hacktics.com, where I'm going to teach you how to build unstoppable sales funnels. You have an opportunity to learn a little bit more about the program that I have put together for you, the coaching opportunity that I have, as well as a free case study where you can learn more about the people who have gone through the system and have growth hacked their businesses. So click through. I'll see you on the other side. Thanks.